All right, guys, moment of truth here. Kit just came in. About to open it up. See how this looks. I ordered this kit before I even got the bike. Let's open it up right now. See what we got in there. Let's get this thing open. Moment of truth. Pull it out. Boom. This is the colorway we went with. Unreal. Look at the metallic flake in there. All right, so I got the first component out. Look at that. You can see the flake in it. Kind of like an 80s, 90s speedboat type of style. Just lining this up. Gonna have that up front there. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. Look at the flake in that. Unbelievable. Fucking sick. Shout out to SKDA. There's literally no other website that had good kits for this bike, and the amount of options you have on that website is insane. So shout out. I didn't get it for free. It's not sponsored, but we're gonna get the bike prepped, wipe it down with some alcohol here. You know, brand new bike, still got that wax coating on there. So that being said, let's get right into this. All right, so just applied like a very, very small little dab of rubbing alcohol. Don't want to overdo it. And we're just gonna apply that on the bike here. Get that wax coating off. Make sure the stickers stick. You want it to last long. You want this bike to look good for a long time. So, you know, take proper care of your stuff, guys. Get this all cleaned up here. Gotta be real thorough with it. Make sure you get every little spot, every little crease, every little crevice. Get it all prepped up. Just like that, bike's prepped up. Thing's shining. Got you the next. Peace. All right, guys, we're about to get started on this thing. First step, we're gonna take off the old graphics. So, I don't have a heat gun. Pulling out the hair dryer for this one. We don't really have much to remove anyways, so just that and this crap back here. Aside from that, we're good. So we can get started, put the hair dryer to it. Let's get this thing going. All right, so I got this side stripped down. No graphics. With the swing arm sticker first. Get a little hang of this here. Check that out. Classic moto look. I love how it turned out. Balance. How else did you do it? Left my car out in the rain last night, so it's got barnacles all over it now. But guys, I think it couldn't have turned out any better. Like, I had the idea of how it would look in my head. Could not be happier with it. I mean, come on. Look at this. With the metallic in it too. Perfect. If you guys are thinking of getting a kit for your bike, obvious answer is to go with SKDA.
Already wheeling in second gear.
Before the neighbors kill me, getting some wheelies up in second gear. I'm gonna get some good footage for you guys soon, I promise. No one's here to film me, so, you know, just been doing it myself, but soon. Very, very soon. All right, I've shown you guys like 5 final products of this thing, but this is the actual final product so far of like all the things I've bought are now on the bike. So obviously big change since last video. Well, since the start of this video, went from all red to this kit, full kit, and then now we got the red grips on there, ODIs. Bike literally a week ago on the day I picked it up, what it looked like. And then here you got this. Gonna need a wash after this, but my God. Trying to not spill this fucking coffee, you guys. You know, C5 Corvette. Worst cup holder on the fuck. It's a good day, sun's out. Oh no! Fuck! Totaled my car, guys. Shit. This is fucked. Fuck's sake. Coffee's fucked. Alright guys, here at the car wash. I'm a lazy asshole. I can't see shit! It's a good way to test the seals in the OLO too. Make sure we don't have any leaks. So far so good. Car does not get old. All right, looks a little better. Well, just like that, car's away. I don't have the cover on it yet, but it's cleaned. It's in its position. I mean, look at this, guys. Take this parking shit serious. But sad sight nonetheless. Boatloads of room here between the cars. Car's away, the bike's parked up next to it. My little collection, if you will. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching. On to the next one. Happy Halloween. Catch you guys.